flash. It has this very high frequency, and then cars will definitely get out of the way if you blink like this. Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. In front of us we have the all-new Mercedes-AMG SL63, and in today's video I will show you the full night drive here in Zurich City. I've got the key right here in my hands. This is the new Mercedes-AMG design key. If you look closely you can see the AMG emblem in the front, and on the back side another AMG lettering integrated. Beautiful, and we know this from the Mercedes S-Class, C-Class, GLC and also the SL. So let me unlock the SL63 and just check out the new lights, digital lights. Beautiful. Just check out the patterns, and you can also see it move back in position. So let me unlock it again, and you can see the patterns. And guys, before we actually go for a drive, I will show you how you can open and close the soft top roof with the key. Of course you can also close it and open it inside with a button, which I will show you right now. This over there. But check out the key guys. I will just press the lock button and hold it. There it closes relatively fast. Amazing. And it also looks beautiful with the black color, obsidian black. Amazing. Check out the tail lights. And now let's open it again and we will take it for a drive. Let me just open the door. First close it, because as you can see it has the S-Class door handles, and over there it says AMG. Beautiful door. An AMG emblem on this portrait style screen, and yes, the new AMG steering wheel. And I really love this pattern over here at the gauges. So let me press the button for the electronics to work. And here you can see the beautiful lights. On the door side, beautiful leather with this Burmester surround sound speaker. And yes, it has the 3D sound package. So more speakers also in the rear. This is a 2+2 seating position. And yes, it has a soft top. Amazing. So if you press the home button you can change the styles of the display. For example, to navigation. There you can see the car in front of you. You can also go for Super Sport. Personally I really like the Sport one, but I usually keep it in Classic. So I will also show you what is under the bonnet. But before we do that, and I will put it into Sport Plus, I will show you the rear side. No soft closing, but you can definitely get it in the SL55 more luxurious SL AMG. And just check out the exhaust pipes in chrome, very massive. It also has a lot of carbon fiber details, in glossy carbon fiber. And here on the side you can see it has the 21-inch rims with more carbon fiber on the side and also carbon fiber side mirrors. So let's move over to the front, where you can see the V8 Biturbo 4MATIC Plus emblem. Again, more details of the rims. These are massive 21-inch, as I mentioned, with a new design circle around the Mercedes star. And of course, ceramic brakes. So let's check out what's under the bonnet of the new SL. There it is, guys. The V8 Biturbo, producing 585 horsepower. One man, one engine, as we know it from AMG. And it produces a staggering 900 Newton meters of torque. And you can see that the ventilation seat is already activated automatically, because it probably noticed that it's pretty warm inside. So I will press the button for all electronics to work, and I will leave the key here at the cup holder section. And there you can see a wireless charging for your phone and 2 USB-C connectivity slots. And yes, this is a full carbon fiber glossy material. Over here, black glossy. Skip. I will press the button again, and there you can see it has this drive select changes switches. So we will start off in the comfort mode, but I will press the exhaust button to activate it. And yes, over here you can actually change the full driving characteristics. You can press the AMG button and you can have it in comfort mode, still drive in a sportive dynamic way, or have your dynamics, AMG dynamics, set to a different level. But it won't change the C, which is displayed over here. You can also go to Sport Plus, for example, and put everything on comfort, and it still will display Sport Plus. Amazing. So let's start the engine, and I will do that with the AMG Emotion Start. I will press and hold the upshift or downshift, but I will do the upshift and press the exhaust, or actually the start button, which is located almost behind this portrait style screen. So let's go. Just listen to the idle, guys. And now let's take it for a drive. Beautiful turbine style air vents, by the way, also here in ambient lighting. Amazing colors. And yes, you of course can press the home button again and go to comfort, because over here you have your massage options. Amazing ambient lighting, and you can switch it into 64 different colors. But let's go back, and I will press the parking button, and here you can see the full car in 360 degrees angle. Amazing, with the trees behind it. So I will put it into drive, and let's go. Amazing sound, guys. This is really one of my favorite new AMGs in terms of sound and experience. also have it in the comfort mode, as I mentioned, with the exhaust button activated, then it sounds like this. Not that much pops and bangs. Another amazing feature is that you can actually tilt the screen. So if you press this button, you can see that the screen tilts in almost 90 degrees. And this is so that you can't be distracted with the light of the sun shining inside. So let's put it back. Amazing. Let's check out the interior. You can also close the top by pressing this button over here, and here you can, by the way, see the traffic light assist. You don't have to look at the lights, it just shows here on the screen. But if you press this button, you can close the roof by just sliding. And there you can already see it close. The sound of completion. Let's go. And when driving in Sport Plus, we can also change the suspension to comfort, because we are driving in the city and you don't always need this sportive suspension. Let's go on the Autobahn. Another amazing thing I found out is that if you flash, it has this very high frequency, and then cars will definitely get out of the way if you blink like this. So now we are entering the tunnel and we can enjoy the full interior and the sound, of course. You can also press the home button and go, for example, to Super Sport, and there you can see all the gears. And of course the track pace with the G-force, speed, accelerator percentage. But check out this one, a full navigation screen. Huge display. So guys, thanks for watching Mercedes-Benz King. I hope you liked the video with the SL63 and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.